You guys are so sweet. Hi, Billy Boos. Hi, Billy Boos. Billy Boos. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You hanging out with Keanu and Pepe? Huh? You're a sweet boy. Yeah, you're a sweet boy. Yeah. Keanu. Keanu's been soaking up some love today. So's Pepe. And we got Mr. Midnight. 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 Hi, baby. He's not looking at the camera today, I guess. Hi. Keanu's been soaking up some pets this morning. The other night, I had to trap him in the bedroom and pull apart the bed so he had nowhere to hide. That way I get some flea medicine on him. Yeah. And he got some loves. And he's been opening up a little bit more since then. And look at him. He's like, what is going on? How come I'm not getting love? How come that black cat on the table is getting love, but I'm not, Dad? How come? Keanu. But yeah, only because I'm sitting in my chair. If I were to get up right now, he'd totally run away. But we'll see how far down we can get right now. Oh, yeah, that's about it. But I got to remember that this one hid in the basement for the first 6 months we had him and wouldn't let us near him for a year. Yeah. Yeah. And now you can't walk 5 feet without tripping over his ass because he's right there. Mr. Keanu. Mr. Keanu. Hey, sweet boy. But for having trapped Keanu back in May, he's doing good. He's doing good. Yeah. Yeah. You're doing good, Keanu. And you're so handsome. I still can't wait to be able to pick you up and snuggle you, though. That'd be great. Because this guy don't like to be snuggled too much. But he's big and soft. And of course, Midnight. Hi, Midnight. Hi, Midnight. Keanu. Oh, Midnight. All right. Sweet boys. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You leaving us? No, he's coming right back. Oh. He don't know where he's going. He don't know. He don't know. Keanu. Keanu. You're so handsome, buddy. Aw. Giving some of that Pepe love, huh? Yeah. Getting some of that Pepe love. I hear you, buddy. Good on you. You guys are awful sweet. Yes, you are. Happy Sunday, everybody.